Hey guys, welcome to our new video. In this video we are going to prove the velocity time relation b plus ut plus et. Now let's start this video. Now to prove the velocity time relation, simply we have to draw a graph, and y-axis simply we have to write velocity and x-axis time. So let an object have some initial velocity and a final velocity after a t second. In above graph, OA is equal to U, BC is equal to B, AB is equal to A, and OC is equal to T as shown in the figure, and you have to simply draw this figure and mention all these points. Draw AD parallel to OC. Thus, AD is equal to OC is equal to T. Now we can take AO is equal to CD is equal to U. So BD is equal to BC minus CD is equal to B minus U simply. As we know that rate of change in velocity is called acceleration. So A is equal to change in velocity. We can write change in velocity by time taken. So AB is equal to BC minus CD as shown in the figure by AD. So A is equal to B minus U by T. So A is equal to T with the transpose coordinate, AT is equal to B minus U, and then B is minus U is equal to AT. Then after that arrange it, B is equal to U plus AT. Hence it is proved.